Roy bought a new battery gasoline hybrid car. On a trip, the car ran exclusively on its battery for the first 40 miles, then ran exclusively on gasoline for the rest of the trip, using gasoline at a rate of 0.02 gallons per mile. On the whole trip, he averaged 55 miles per gallon. How long was the trip in miles? 0.02 gallons per mile. If we multiply 0.02 by 50 and then 1 mile by 50, we get that running on gas, it goes 50 miles per gallon. So one thing for the whole trip, if he averaged 55 miles per gallon, so 55 miles over 1 gallon, that ratio is going to be equal to the total miles he drove over the number of gallons he used. And so if we let's say, X equals the number of gallons used on the trip, then the total miles he drove are the 40 that he drove on battery power, plus this 50 miles per gallon, 50 times X. So this is on battery power, this is using the gasoline, and number of gallons, we already defined that as X. So therefore, we can set 55 is then equal to that, 40 plus 50x over x. And so we can solve for x. So 55x is equal to 40 plus 50x. And then we'll find that 5x is equal to 40. So therefore, x is equal to 8. So for the total miles, that's going to be total miles of the trip is 40 plus 50 times 8, which is 440. So the whole trip was 440 miles, and that is choice C.